Now we will learn on how to convert the binary values into octal values. Vime Sankhya Ashtaka Sankhya bhavata parivartana kirima. For this also you can use the same chart which you have used for the octal to binary conversion. මේ සඳහාත් ඔයගලන්ට භාවිතා කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙනවා අෂ්ටක සංඛ්‍යා ද්විමීය සංඛ්‍යා බවට හැරවීමේදී භාවිතා කරන ලද chart එකම. උදාහරණයක් ගනිමු. Let's take one example. I'll take the binary value of the 110001. So this is one example. So we are going to convert the binaries into octals. So as by using the same procedure, you should remember that 8 is equivalent to 2 to the power 3. So we are always writing the values in 3 digits. One octal digit should be written in 3 binary digits. අට කියන්නේ දෙකේ තුන්වෙනි බලය. එතකොට අපි හැමතිස්සෙම අෂ්ටක සංඛ්‍යාවක් ද්විමය බවට නැත්නම් ද්විමය සංඛ්‍යාවක් අෂ්ටක බවට හැරවීමේදී හැමතිස්සෙම එක් අෂ්ටක අගයක් අපේ පාදේ එක් අගයක් දක්වන්නට නම් ද්විමය සංකේත තුනක් අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා. දැන් මෙතනදිත් අපි එම තියරි එකම යූස් කරනවා. මම නැවත මෙයාගේ ලියාගත්තොතින් 1.0.1 මම මේක ලියාගත්තේ පොඩක් ඈඩ් කරලා බලන්න. දැන් එහෙම කරේ දකුණු පැත්තේ ඉඳලා කියන්නේ least significant bit එකේ ඉඳලා මම මේක කොටස් වලට හදාගන්නට යනවා. හැබැයි මේ හදාගන්න කොටස් වල තියෙනට අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ එක section එකක එක part එකක bits 3ක්. දකුණු පැත්තේ ඉඳලා පටන් ගන්න. We are starting it from the right hand side. We are separating this given binary value into the sets of 3 bits. So from the right hand side, first, second and third, and I'm separating it in here. Just a simple separation, right? Then 1, 2 and 3. So there are no more values in here. Then I'll be taking each section separately. So here 0, 0, 1. If you cannot remember what is that value, you can refer to the chart. Antima set එකේ තියෙන්නේ 0.01. 0.01 කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයගලන්ට chart එකෙන් 0.01 කියන binary value එක සමාන වෙන්නේ octal වලින් නම් 1 වලට. then ඊට කලින් තියෙන set එක 1.1 ඒක බිඳුව කියන්නේ 6. එහෙනම් අපිට පුළුවන් වෙනවා මෙන්න අගය 1.1 කියන අගයට සමාන වන binary සමාන වන octal අගය නැත්නම් අෂ්ටක අගය ලෙසට 6 8 පාදයෙන් කියන පිළිතුර ලබා ගන්න. So this is not 61. මේක 61 නෙමෙයි. අපි මේක ප්‍රොනවුන්ස් කරන්න අපි කියවන්නේ 6 1 8 පාදයෙන් කියලා. We will take another example in here to have a better idea. That value I will write it as 11110011 in the case of 2. What we have to do, we have to firstly separate this binary value from your right hand side in the sets of 3 binary bits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2. And for the third digits, I'll arrange 1, 0 in here because all the values should be in 3 binary sections. So if you put 1, 0 in front to the whole value, it will not change the actual computational value. මුළු අගයටම ඉදිරියට බිඳුවක් දැම්මට මුළු අගය කියන්නේ සංඛ්‍යාත්මකයේ වෙනසක් සිදු වෙන්නේ නැහැ. For an example, if you take this value, it is 17. If you put 0 to here, it will become 170. එකයි හතයි පිළිගොතින් එක 17. ඒකට අගට බිඳුවක් දැම්මොත් එක වැලියු එක 170 බවට පත් වෙනවා. නමුත් බලන්න එක 7 කියන වැලියු එකට ඉදිරියට බිඳුවක් දැම්මොත් ඒක සාමාන්‍යයෙන්මයි 17මයි. So the same procedure can be applied to here. 1, 0 or 2 zeros can be added in front of the whole value. Then the value will not be amended. Then ගන්න එක එක section. Then take separate sections separately. And 0, 1, 1, it is 3. 1, 1, 0 is 6. Then 0, 1, 1 is again 3. So here you can get the answer as 3, 6, 3 in the base of 8. Let's take example number 1. And the values are given to you as 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So we will separate these to the sets of 3 binary digits, 1, 2, 3. Then like that we can separate this into several sections and get them separately and write the individual components equivalent octal value. And 0, 1, 0, it is 2. 0, 0, 1 is 1. So ultimately you can get the value as 1, 2, 7 in the base of 8. දෙවෙනි උදාහරණය, second example. Here also we will separate from your right hand side. And to here, only one digit is available. So you can just put zeros in front for your convenience. Then let's get the equivalent values as this is 1 and 1, 1, 0 is 6 and 0, 1, 1 is 3. This is 1, 6, 3 in the base of 8. Third one, do the same procedure. Zero, 5, and 6. 6, 5, 0 in the base of 8. The first example, 93. I have asked you to convert it into binaries. What you have to do is do the long-term division by 2. First, I am dividing it by 2. 46 and 1 remains. Then again, I am dividing 46 by 2. 23, 0 remains. So like that, I have to do the long-term division till I am receiving a value which is lesser than the dividing value, which is 2. I'll be continuously doing this division Finally, I am getting the remaining value as 0 and here as 1. So directly I can write the correct answer as the remaining values should be written from the bottom to the top, which is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Either you can use the brackets or else you can omit it. So the answer can be written as 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 in the base of 2. Second one, you have been given a binary value. द्विमय आगයක් දීලා තියෙනවා 1 බිඳුව 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 and I'm asking it to be converted into its equivalent decimal value. So each and every binary digit is having a weighing factor. So these are 2 to the power zeros. And the left hand side one, the next value is 2 to the power 1s, and this is 2 to the power 2s. This is 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, and 2 to the power 5. Now you can see that there is only one 2 to the power 0 value. And then you can see that again there's only one 2 to the power 1. But you can see here there are no 2 to the power 2s. But next there's only again 1 2 to the power 3. Same like that. There's 1 2 to the power 4 and there's another 2 to the power 5 value. Then we will get the values for this. 2 to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Then 2 into 1, 8 into 1, 16 into 1, and 2 to the power 5 is 32, 32 into 1. So finally, to get the ultimate decimal value, you have to add these values together. Then you can see that the value is 49. The total value is 49. One 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 0 1 1 in binary is equivalent to 49 in decimal. The total value of all these values are 59. Then you can see that the equivalent value for 111011 is 59 in decimals. Next example is 126 in decimals to be converted into octals. You can use the same procedure, same calculation method of converting the decimals into binaries. But in here, since you have to do the conversion into octals, you have to divide it by 8. මෙතනදී ඔයගලන්ට පරිවර්තනය කරන්න තියෙන්නේ 8 පාදයට නිසා දීර්ඝ බෙදීම කළ යුතු වන්නේ 8නුයි. එතන නැහැ 12ට 8යි 4ක් විතරයි 46ට 8 ඒවා 5යි. So 6 is remaining. Then dividing this again by 8, 1 and 7 remains. So easily you can write the remaining values from the bottom to the top. It is 176 in the base of 8. The fourth example, a binary value is given to you and asking you to convert it into its equivalent octal value. The value is given to you as 11001110. So what you have to do, separate this given binary value into 3-bit sections starting from the right hand side and write the equivalent octal value for each 3-bit set. So like this, you can do the separation. Since here you have only 2 values, you can put a 0 over here. Then 110 is 6, 001 is 1, and 011 is 3. Then you can get the value easily as 316 in the base of 8. The next example, an octal value is given to you and asking you to do the conversion into its equivalent decimal value. The value is given as 231. 231. So this is a to the power 0. The weighing factor is a to the power 0 and there's 1 of it. And here, these are a to the power 1s, there are 3 of them. And this is a to the power 2s and there are 2 of them. Any values 0th power is 1 and 1 into 1 is 1. Then 8 to the power 1 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. And in here, 8 to the power 2 is 64 and there are 2 of them. The value is 128. Then the total value can be calculated as 153. So 231 in the base of 8 is equivalent to 153. Last example is 562 in the base of 8. And you have to do the conversion from this octal value into its equivalent binary value. 562. Get each digit separately and write the equivalent binary value for each digit in 3 bits. 2 is 10. Since we had to write in 3 bits, you have to put a leading 0 over here. Then 6 is 110. There are 3 bits, so no need to do any changes. And 5 is 101. So simply you can get the equivalent binary value as 1011101010 in the base of 2 as the equivalent binary value for 562 in the base of 8.